In this video, I will show you how to add a bank account in the PayPal app. So first, go and open up the PayPal app, and then in the bottom right, go and click on Wallet. Now from here, you will see that I have a couple of banks and cards that I've connected right here, but next to banks and cards, it says Add New. So go and click on Add New. Now here, select a bank. And now here are a few popular banks in my country. Now if the bank is not in here, then you want to click search for your bank name. For example, I'll type Revolut. Now you will see Revolut is not available. So then what you can do is simply click enter your bank details. Then all you need to do is enter the country of the bank and the IBAN. And after doing that, click add bank account, and then you have connected this bank. Now, if it is in the list right here, then you can simply go and click on it and then click agree and continue. Then it will open up the app for the bank if you have it installed, where you can then go and confirm that you want to connect it to this PayPal account. So now you know how to add a bank account in the PayPal app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.